and welcome to Becca's English Book Club and more. Now today we're going to learn a little bit about trucks, and this is one of the trucks I have. Let's see if it makes a noise. Oh, beep beep. That sounds like the horn, and it's a bright green truck with grey wheels. I wonder who drives a big truck like this. So today's book is about different types of trucks. Red trucks, bumpy trucks, smooth trucks, yellow trucks. Let's find out what trucks we will see. Trucks. This big truck has sparkly headlights. And this big truck has a rough side. This big truck has a zigzag tipper. And this big truck has a rusty skip. This big truck has a shiny door. And this big truck has bumpy wheels. This big truck has a spotty trailer. And this big truck has a lumpy funnel. This big truck is very big. Wow, I think that's the biggest truck I've ever seen. Maybe if you look out of your window, you'll be able to see a truck, and you can see whether it's bumpy, smooth, what color it is. Is it white, yellow, red? Maybe you can see from your window. What a big book about big trucks. Well, I hope you enjoyed that book, and if you'd like to watch more, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.